out in the wild that we can't quite get them here in captivity here at the zoo. Now these guys are a breeding group, so we do hope to eventually have cubs here at the zoo. And so we're actually, you might walk by sometimes, and you might not see the girls out on the exhibit, or you might not see them. And that's just our slow process in actually getting them used to their dens and kind of incorporating their natural behaviors into our plan for cubs. Now it's very difficult for us to have cubs simply because of two reasons. They first are induced ovulators, which means that they'll actually only ovulate in the presence of a male. And secondly, they also have delayed implantation, which means that they'll go ahead and they'll breed in the early spring. And then they'll actually implant much later. They'll actually implant much later into the fall, and after about 60 days after they implant, they'll actually have a cub. Now there's no way to tell if a bear is pregnant or not, because their skin is actually so thick that we actually can't do ultrasounds on them. So we are forced to just kind of watch and see their behavior and kind of cue in whether or not their behavior indicates whether or not they are pregnant. Now, polar bears are considered a threatened species here in the United States and considered vulnerable for extinction worldwide, and there are several reasons for this. But the main reason is actually a reduction in ice. Polar bears rely upon the ice for their hunting strategy. Their favorite food item is actually seal and seal pups. And as a result, they go ahead and they try to sneak up on those seal again as they approach the season.
I see them!
Now, as the ice layer thins, they're actually having much more difficulty sneaking up on those dens. And what was once a 30% chance rate of being able to catch those seals is now even dwindling even